Yo, what is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Now, you're probably here because you want to see some cheap and easy mods to do to your truck. Now, by cheap, I'm talking about 50 bucks cheap. Now, literally, you may have just got done paying everything you need to pay and you got 50 extra bucks and you don't know what to spend it on, but you want to spend it on your truck. Well, I got you with some ideas. Yes, I know I could be skipping over some very important cheap and easy mods you can do for your truck, but I wrote down a list on my phone here that I'm going to be telling y'all, so hopefully y'all can then go out, buy these mods for your truck and, you know, do them. Now, some of these might be a little over 50 or even under 50, so either way, we're just going to try to keep it 50 and below. All right, so we'll kind of start off in the front of the truck and kind of move our way back. First thing on the list would be some LED lights for your headlights. Now, you may get lucky and find some actual headlights for under 50 bucks, but the chance of that happening is very low. But yeah, first thing on the list is LED headlights. Now, moving not too much further ahead here is some light bars. I know y'all can find some cheap light bars on Amazon. I got these, which I'll actually be replacing these soon because this doesn't look how I was expecting it to look. And especially with this brand, it's called Nightlight. I'm not sponsored by them or anything, but Nightlight has never done me wrong, and it's super bright and super cheap. Now, most of these things I actually have that are on the list, but this one in specifically I actually don't, and that is gonna be a new antenna, or more specifically a bullet antenna, or honestly whichever one you want. But either way, these things are definitely pretty cheap and will definitely leave you under 50 bucks. Now, before we go any further, I'm sorry if there's wind in the mic. I know it's really annoying. It's like windy out here and I can't really do anything about it. But the next up on the list would be to debadge your truck, because honestly, the badges on these trucks that used to be here, the ones that ran in the lateral line down this way, they're like a chrome color. I took those babies off quicker than you can say quick. But literally all you have to buy for that is a 3M wheel and then your choice of like goo remover, which and my choice, I actually use Goo Gone and a 3M wheel. I'll throw a picture of what a 3M wheel is up on the screen here. But literally you hook that thing up to the drill, start that drill, just go like this after you rip all the badges off, obviously, which I use fishing line and my hands to just kind of maneuver it off. After I got it off, got the drill, 3M wheel, ripped all that goo off, and then, you know, wiped it down with some Goo Gone or whatever. Now, this one right here kind of only applies to a certain amount of people, and one of them is kind of gonna be me and some of y'all. And that is, the next up on the list is grill inserts. Now, if you have a grill like this, I think they call these billet grills. Literally, you can find these just any kind of little insert on Amazon, eBay, stuff like that. This one was really cheap. It actually lights up when my headlights turn on. We tapped it in there. And literally, this thing is super glued to the back of this grill. So, yeah, there's another one. Now, excuse my super dirty wheels. Moving down to the wheels here is actually, let me take this bad boy off real quick if I can. So here we go. You could get new air caps, maybe like a Skull or something. I mean, they literally have these at AutoZone, and I don't know why I thought of it, but I know that's cheap and affordable and really easy to do. And next would be, I'm not gonna take it off, but the lug nuts. You could get you some different lug nuts, maybe some spike lug, maybe some normal looking lugs. I don't know, it's up to you. Now, this next one can kind of be a bunch of different exterior lights, but I guess this idea is kind of just exterior lights in general, but I was gonna say rock lights. And then basically there's a lot of cheap exterior lights that you could put on your truck, anywhere from, like we mentioned at the beginning of the video, from LED lights to backup lights to little light pods to light bars. This one right here, I'm going to say rock lights. Now, rock lights is a very widespread thing that a lot of people actually use now. I personally love them. I have them on here. I'll show y'all mine real quick. I mean, obviously you're not going to be able to see them, you know, in the daytime, but I'll show y'all that I do have them. Mine are actually covered in, you know, road grime right now, but as you can see, I got one rock light under every single wheel. I want to put more under all my wheels eventually, but one is good for now. Now, one thing that you kind of see people skip over or forget about sometimes is a third brake light. Now, usually these run you under $50, usually for mostly any truck, so make sure you get yourself that third brake light. Now, this one is a love-hate relationship with a lot of people. That would be stickers. I mean, you can get you off this kind of sticker right here for $3 online. So if you like stickers, don't forget about them. They're always there for, of course, under 50 bucks. So now we're going to move on to inside of the truck, obviously, as you can tell. Now, in all reality, there's a bunch of things inside of the truck that you could get for under 50 bucks. But let's just look in this area here. We got a steering wheel cover. We got some kind of phone holder. If you look down here, you could get you like a phone charger or something like that. I don't have one on there right now, but you could get some kind of smelly vent thing. For example, you know, one of these kind of guys, but the ones that stick into your vent. But now I guess we'll do the, you know, the cooler things that you're probably here to see. So this was like 30 bucks on Amazon, I think. And if I click this button here, you can see these lights come on here. So there's one there, there's one here, and it's actually moving with my voice right now. So bah, 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 bah. You can see it's moving with my voice. One there, there, and there's also one there. Now let me turn these off before it annoys the crap out of me. Now another thing you could get is LED lights for the dome light. A lot of people don't do this. I actually don't even have an LED light in here, but as until I have the halogen or whatever you want to call it. Or you could get a new cap for it, or just a whole new dome light in general. Now there's a bunch of bad lighting in here, so if it's a bad lighting, I'm sorry, I'll try my best. Now this next one here, sometimes they're under 50 bucks, sometimes they're under 100 bucks. I've seen some on Amazon recently for pretty cheap. Now this one is a little harder to do than, I guess, classified easy. It's not really hard, it just takes a long time, and that would be this right here. I don't know if y'all can see it, but that's the Starlight headliner. It literally took like 8 hours for me to do all of it. I can't remember how many I have in here. I think it's like 420 or something. It was relatively cheap. I think it was like 130 bucks, but now they have some on Amazon for a lot cheaper. So yeah, there's another thing on your list. And then obviously it's just like the no-brainer stuff. Seat belt covers, seat covers. Maybe you could get you like a box of masks, because you know everyone's wearing these. You literally have to, like, you know, keep it in your glove compartment or something. Now, excuse the dirtiness in here, but I actually carry a bottle of hand sanitizer in here. I don't know, it's kind of neat. You might want to do that too. And then there is the obvious ground floor covers, or whatever you want to call them. Super cheap and affordable, and obviously super easy to do. But guys, I think that is actually going to go ahead and wrap up this video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy it, and if I did forget anything that is under 50 bucks that you want to tell people about, drop it down in the comments below so everyone else doesn't miss out on your awesome idea. But hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to drop a like if you haven't already. It really helps the channel. You actually have no idea how much it actually helps. No, I'm not the type to sit here and beg for you to like it. So if you like the video, like it. If not, move on. But if you do like it, thanks a lot. It helped a lot. You don't even know. And make sure to subscribe if you are new, and make sure to turn that bell on so you get a notification every time I post a video. But hopefully you guys did enjoy for the last time. Make sure to drop a like if you haven't already. Subscribe if you are new, and I will see y'all in the next one. Peace out.